Two Royal Navy patrol vessels are being sent to Jersey to monitor the situation after a row erupted with France over post-Brexit fishing rights. The French government threatened to cut off power supplies to Jersey in a dispute over a new licensing system for French fishing vessels. Robert Wool is in Jersey for us tonight.
Do not panic. This alert is explaining the current situation between Britain and France. The traitorous French have betrayed the bond of trust between our nation and them. We will not go to war unless they make us. If the conflict does occur, we most likely have the assistance of our faithful ally, the United States. So there is nothing to worry about.
All right, what did you think of that alert last week, Mark?
Pretty creepy, felt like I was in a movie or something. Definitely hope we don't get another one. However, from a more political perspective, I think the government has been quite overwhelming and just simply too serious about the whole thing. I mean, who would want to go up against us, right?
I agree on that one. Anyway, on with the evening news. As you may have noticed, we have some Royal Navy vessels popping by into port today to ensure we're all right. Oh God, it is horrible. There has been 2 explosions. Both have been made on the Royal Navy ships arriving.
Alice.
Jesus, they are
Shut
sinking.
up, we need to go.
United Kingdom, so they used to export it to Europe. They are having trouble with the Norwegian fisheries as well, and big companies. And yes, of course, so this is
Avion britannique situé au-dessus de la Manche. Abri en place maintenant. Apportez de la nourriture et de l'eau avec vous. Avion britannique situé au-dessus de la Manche. Abri en place maintenant. Apportez de la nourriture et de l'eau avec vous. Avion britannique situé au-dessus de la Manche. Abri en place maintenant. Apportez de la nourriture et de l'eau avec vous. Avion britannique situé au-dessus de la Manche. Abri en place maintenant. Apportez de la nourriture et de l'eau avec vous.
I guess I have to do it myself. I know it's not.
What do you mean?
I thought I could remember more. Something important if I just came back, but I can't.
Don't worry about that now. Let's get home.
We interrupt this programming to give you a message from the French revolutionaries in the occupied areas of France. The British are torturing us. We are innocent civilians. We ask you to rise up against this disgusting military and government no matter the cost. For we are not frauds or greedy pigs like they may have described us, we are just like you.
British civilians protest for peace and the release of French prisoners, in London.
Alert! Alert! If you are within the premises of South London, leave immediately. We are deploying troops to stop the protesters, and anybody caught in crossfire may either be injured or killed. We do not wish to hurt you, but if you are incompetent, there is no denying you may die. The operation has begun. If you have not started to leave, you should now. We know of civilians firing back. Understand that if you are seen doing this, our soldiers will show no mercy. New information has been received. French troops are on the border. Get your family and run.
They are seizing their chance while we are at our most vulnerable.
This emergency action notification is being transmitted by the United States government. As you may have heard, President Joe Biden has announced that the military will be shipped over to France to assist the Brits in their ongoing conflict. Undoubtedly, the French may retaliate in some way, and so we should be prepared to have a radio, some canned food and bottled water stored in the lowest, central part of your residence ready in case sheltering is required.
So these paintings are from the 1700s? Yeah, predominantly 18th century pictures, and this one in particular I think you'll find interesting. This is Richard Gildart. He was mayor of Liverpool. He was an MP for the city of Liverpool, and he was one of many wealthy merchants in the city of Liverpool that made vast fortunes from the engagement with the transatlantic.
Liverpool from the north, evacuate. Are not able to defend you now, it is time for you to go independently. If you encounter a French soldier, do not try to run. If you do, you will die. foes have surrounded the city. For this is the end of Liverpool. We now suggest that you retaliate. If we are going to perish, all of us will not do it in vain.
Kind of resting against my shoulder. She likes her keel to be pet, and I could actually give her a little kiss. So I just love spending time with her.
We interrupt your programming to bring you this emergency alert. This is not a test, I repeat, this is not a test. France has launched a mass nuclear attack against the United States and the United Kingdom. Main targets are New Orleans, Washington, D.C., Dallas, New York City, Los Angeles, Las Vegas, Chicago and Miami. If you are in one of these areas, get into your inner refuges or shelters. It is possible that other cities are targets as well, so all citizens must be ready to enter a shelter, even if your area was not listed. When the crisis is over, the president will make a speech to the whole nation.
Christmas in the family's brand new £9 million 7-bed mansion.
So our interior designer decorated the house for Christmas this year. At the moment we have 2 trees, there's some fish with a